These furnaces are made in Canada by Stove Builders International and are sold at retailers in the USA and Canada, or they can be purchased directly through the manufacturer's website. The Heat Commander furnaces feature state-of-the-art two-stage combustion control and are EPA-certified clean burning units. They have a 75,000 BTU heating capacity with a 81% efficiency, and they can accept logs up to 21 inches in length. They have a window for viewing the fire and are backed by a very good guarantee. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.